Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to give a brief overview and demonstration of the Microsoft Editor. That is the editor that comes as standard with Microsoft Word, the latest version, which is Office 365 currently. And it should be automatically set up. So when you open Microsoft Word, it should pick up grammatical mistakes almost immediately. In this instance, there's a piece of text here, and the double white blue lines indicate that Microsoft Editor is finding a difficulty with it. There may be a grammar mistake of some kind. So if we look here, it's suggesting things for water lilies. So if I click on that with the mouse, it's suggesting that I remove the hyphen. So I'll agree to that. And again, if we go over here, side, it's suggesting a comma. And now this is an interesting one here. I've intentionally put a word in out of context. It sounds the same as the alternative word that I'd like to put in there. So if I click here, the editor finds the mistake. So if I click that, and then there's a slight suggestion here. So it's giving an alternative suggestion to what was written. Now that is to say that what was originally written is not grammatically incorrect, but it's just giving a suggestion. And in this instance, I'm going to agree to that. Now one of the other features, if I just go back there and uncheck those, and if I go up and press the editor, it brings up a side toolbar, and it gives an overview of a score, percentage of grammatical mistakes, how good it is essentially in terms of grammar. If I click on the grammar suggestions, it goes through then the suggestions to change. So I can change it here as well if I wish. And it also gives an explanation. If I go back, it's also giving a suggestion there in regards to what should be in place. And there you are. Now, one of the interesting aspects here that I've noticed, this version that I'm using is the desktop version that's available, the Microsoft Word desktop version that is installed on my computer. But if I go over here to the online version of Word, so this is the online service version of Word, it has found more mistakes, interestingly enough. So I've put in another mistake here, which is a grove of fir trees. And it should be fir, so there we are. That's quite clever. Now, interestingly, that was not picked up in the desktop version. So I'm imagining or predicting that the Word version online uses more of the processing power of the cloud in terms of helping to correct and grammar check documents. So it's just that little bit more accurate. And again, it's the same location in Microsoft Word in the Home tab, and it's simply over there. So that is the end of this video tutorial, and thank you for watching.